ExamView is a test generator. It is used by several different publishing companies, McGraw-Hill, Pearson, HMH. But basically, it is a way that you can generate tests and mix up the different questions and the answers and make different versions of the test. There's a CD that you can use. Every single subject has a CD. Some of these might be older. Biology has a CD, science, social studies, ELA, math has a CD, but you would probably want to generate your own questions, so you don't necessarily need a math CD in order to make a math test. You can use any CD. So if your department currently doesn't have an ExamView CD, then let me know and you can just use one of mine. So I have another video that teaches you how to install ExamView, but if you need help installing it, just let me know. And I can give you the CD, and you can either watch the video and install it yourself, or I can install it for you during 5th period. It literally takes 2 minutes to install, so it's not a big deal. What you're going to do is you're going to install ExamView on your desktop, and it looks like this. So here's the little icon. I save it on my desktop. You're going to click on that, and to create a new test, what you're going to do is, sometimes this pops up, it asks you to register the test or the ExamView. You can just close that. So to create a new test, you can either go to use the ExamView test builder to create a new test and press OK, or you can go to file up here and just create a new test. So here's my test. I'm going to put a title, example test, or example quiz. I'm going to press OK. And then whichever subject that you're using, like whether it's social studies or biology or anything, it's going to come up here. And you can pick questions from here, but I really wouldn't do this because most of the questions don't actually match up with the TEKS, so I probably wouldn't use this. So you're just going to cancel. Okay, to make a new question, you can either go to question and press new, or you can go new question right here and this will pop up. So you can have true, false. You can modify your true and false where they can either put true, and if it's false, then they can put a reason why it's false. You can put multiple choice, numeric responses. They can do short answer, matching, essay. Usually what I use most of all would be multiple choice, matching, short answer, and essay. So I'm going to put a multiple choice question, and then sometimes this pops up, sometimes it doesn't, so just press OK. And I'm going to put my question in. And then you can also put a little picture if you want to, and you can put your answer choices. And then you can put your correct answer. So I'm going to put the correct answer as A. It automatically defaults to A, but you're going to put your correct answer, and then you're going to record. You can also change the amount of choices. You can make them go from 2 all the way to 5. So I'm just going to leave it as 4, which is A, B, C, and D. You can have it as 2 columns, but I'm going to go ahead and just leave it as this, record. Now I'm going to add a new question. Make it multiple choice. And then I'm going to change the answer. And then now I have the second question. An essay question would look like this. And then you can put the answers here as well. So this would be my answer. And then I'm going to record that. So here's my essay question. You can also add again, short question, matching. So here's my matching. I can add these, I can delete these, so I can change the choices like that. I can add them, I can subtract them. So I'm just going to do A through D, and then I can have matching, and here's my answer, and here's my question. So there's several different ways that you can do this. You can double click on the question and then you can change it and then record your changes if you want to do that. But the part that's important is being able to make multiple version tests. So here where it says IDA, you can make as many versions of the test that you would like. You're going to go to File and you're going to Print, and then you can put as many variations to this test as you want. So I usually make 3 to 4 different tests. So I'm going to make 4 different tests. I'm going to scramble the sections, I might scramble the questions, and definitely scramble the multiple choice answers. Now, if you just scramble the multiple choice answers only, the questions are going to be in the same order, but the multiple choice answers will be in a different order. I like to scramble the questions and the multiple choice answers, but if you're going over each question as a class, I wouldn't scramble the questions. So you might want to scramble everything, or you might just want to scramble only the questions and the multiple choice answers. This is what I usually do. And then you're going to press OK. And then it's going to print, and it will print several different versions. Now to grade this, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your GradeCam. So go to GradeCam. And you're going to create a new test. And you can put however many questions there are. But right here where it says assignment type, you're going to put multiple version. So when you put multiple version, here's your different versions, and you can put 1, 2, and 3, and 4, however many different versions you would like to put. You can also, if you're going to print this, what's really, really important to do is when you print your forms, make sure that you go to Advanced Options and you click on Multiple Version Exams and see how it changes your bubble sheet. So now you have exam version 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So IDA, the kids would bubble in number 1. And that's basically all you need to know about making a multiple version test.